This is our beginner's guide to track days.
Yep, as Joel's just said, this is our beginner's guide to track days. So first of all, we're going to want to book the track day. So you can do this on trackdays.com, MSVT and Javelin. There's many others as well. But first of all, you're going to want to find the track day you want and add it to your basket. So once you've added your track day to the basket, as you can see here, we have an account on MSVT, so we already have some pre-selected drivers and our car in our account. I'm guessing this is the same on the other websites, but I haven't used them, so I'm not too sure. So we select our drivers, me, Joel and TJ, and we select our car. Here there's a little option for road or race car. This is because some track days you can only have road cars or you can only have race cars. Then you can add some extras, so you can add your garage, your helmet hire, anything like that you need. In this case we only want a garage, so that's it. Once you've paid for your track day on MSVT, you can head over to your account, and then there you can see a list of different options. So you can look at your past orders and your past track days, and then down at the bottom you can see there's my vehicles and my drivers. Here you can add drivers and vehicles, especially if you have a few. It might be handy to make the booking process more speedy in the future.
As you can see, we're already here, so you want to get here around 7 o'clock, because if you can get a free garage, you can do like us. You're going to sign on at 7:30. As we go and sign on, you go and get an armband, which you're about to see. Let's go.
So when you do come to sign on, they're going to ask for your name and for your valid driving licence, so don't forget it. Once you've got your driving licence back, you'll be issued a wristband which will come apparent later in the video.
So as you can see, we've just been signing on. We've all got a wristband now. Passengers sign on as well. The briefing before you get here, so you do that like 24 hours before. Then you have a track briefing as well. So things you might need on your track day. You don't definitely need them, but you might need them. So you definitely need your helmet for your race wear. You need helmet, you need suitable boots, obviously race boots, vest or anything that's not too chunky. Gloves with benefit as well. You might need a jack, an axle stand, just in case you have any problems or you take the wheel off, check the brakes, anything like that. You're going to need some basic tools, so anything like a house's toolbox will do the job. Just covers everything there, you've got a wide range. You need some form of way of pumping your tyres up. You don't need an electric one, a foot one or anything like that will do, and a pressure gauge so you can set all your tyres to whatever you want. Any consumables like oil, stuff like that to top up, or should have you covered. Next up we head over to noise test. This is just to make sure your car is within a certain decibel limit. As you can see, he just sticks a probe in the exhaust pipe and checks the reading. Then give you a sticker, and you need to make sure you do this, else you won't be allowed on track without it. Right, we've just had the noise test, so we're up here at Checkers now, and we're going to get briefed up.
Checkers.
Up at Checkers. Briefing time. Once that's done, we're on site in laps, and we'll be on track shortly. Make sure you pay full attention to the driver's briefing. It will give you some vital information for the day ahead.
So once you've done your briefing, you will be out on your sighting lap shortly, which means we're going to follow this pace car, single file, in a big train around the track, and it just gives you an idea of direction of the track, and then also if there's any changes to the track, which apparently there has been here. Apparently they've put some more gravel traps in. So yeah, that's it.
Yep, as Joel's just said, you stay in single file for a couple of laps. It might be free, it just depends on the track day provider. Once you've completed the sighting laps, that'll be it now. Open pit lane and you're good to go. Just make sure you stay in those track limits, you don't want to get in trouble.
Anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.